Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get over $550 off the EnviroKlenz air filtration system. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/clean air. I'm going to leave the link in the description below and also in the comment section below to make it easier for you to just click, and it's going to take you over to this page. And let me tell you why you want to come over to this page. This page is a secret page. You're not going to see it on the home screen of the EnviroKlenz website. So couponqueso.com/clean air is going to bring you over here, and you're going to see that this page says mobile air system promotion, and I'll show you why it's a special promotion. I'm going to scroll down over here, and you're going to see that over here you're going to get packages where you're going to be getting free stuff that you normally have to pay for. So for example, let's look at this over here, the standard mobile air system. So you can see the price here is $699. Normally, just the system alone is $699. Now you're getting 4 air cartridges for free plus a filter. This right here alone is over $550 that you're getting for free. Normally, these cartridges cost $100 each. That's $400 right there. Plus the filter is $150 if you buy these individually. So by clicking the link below, couponqueso.com/clean air, you're going to come to this page where you're going to get all this for free for the same price that you're paying just for the system. On top of that, I'm going to show you how to get an additional 5% off the price. So let's take this one as an example. I'm going to click on Buy Now. It's going to take me to this page here where I'm going to add this to the cart. I'll click Add to Cart. And over here, this is where you apply the coupon code. So come over here to where it says coupon code and type in the coupon code DRG and hit Apply. And you're going to see that you're going to get an additional 5% off. So if we scroll down a little bit, here are the subtotals: $699, which includes the air filtration system, the 4 cartridges, and the filter, minus $34.95. So the total would come out to $664. So you're saving over $550 here just by going to by using the link below this video, couponqueso.com/clean air, plus using the coupon code DRG. I hope the information in this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and make sure you click on that link below. That's going to give you all this free stuff, plus that special coupon code. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.